everyone, this is the video for Tuesday, April 7th for ESL 2. Before we start, I have a few announcements. Make sure that you're answering that question, are you present? Every day, please log in and answer that question by midnight that day. The next morning, I go in and I put the attendance in. So even if you're not completing the work at that moment, please go in and say that you are present. Quarter 3 has ended. I will accept late work from quarter 3 until tomorrow, Wednesday, April 8th. So if you have any assignments in PowerSchool from recently that's a 0, please send them in to me as soon as possible. Quarter 4B has begun, and in quarter 4, all classwork and exit tickets, they're going to be due by 12 p.m., which is noon, the following day. So for example, if my classwork is posted for today, Tuesday, April 7th, that means it is not due until the next day, Wednesday, at 12 p.m., which is noon. And going forward, all exit tickets are going to be counted as a homework grade. Classwork will still be a classwork grade, but exit tickets will count as a homework grade. All right, today here's what we're going to do. We're going to confirm our predictions, and we're reviewing the text Fear by Terry Truman, which we started reading yesterday. We were doing connections yesterday, and you'll continue to do that today. Remembering a text-to-world connection is when you're connecting the text to something that happened in history or is happening right now in the world. A text-to-text connection, we're connecting this text to another story that we have read. And a text-to-self connection is when you're connecting the story to something that happened in your own life. A prediction is a statement about what you think is going to happen next in the story. You're basing your prediction on what you already know about yourself, about the world, and about other stories that you have read. So here's what you're going to do today. You're going to go to classwork and you're going to open the Fear 2 document. That's where you're going to record your answers. You're going to finish reading Fear. So you're going to read pages 405 to 407. You're going to make one more prediction and one more connection on page 405 and 406, and then you're going to answer the after reading questions. Let me show you exactly what to do. So I'm going to Google Classroom, and when I log on to my class, I'm going to see the work for today, Tuesday. I go to classwork, and here I am. So after I said that I'm present, after I watch this video, I'm going to classwork and I'm going to log on to the textbook just like I did before, and I'm going to click to open this document. This is the document that I'm going to turn in for today. You're going to see it looks very similar to yesterday. So I'm going to log in like I always do with my password, the same password you've been using every time you log into the textbook. Going on to the textbook, I'm going to find the place that I left yesterday. I'm going to go to my textbook, which is green, level A, and I'm going to navigate to Unit 5, Cluster 2, Fear is the story that I want to go to. Now, I read this story already. Remember, we read pages 400 to 404. So this is where you're starting today on page 405. It starts with, I said, open this door, Alpo. So after you read this page, you're going to come back to this document and you're going to put your quotation, your connection, the type of connection, and then your prediction. You're going to do the same thing for page 406. And then you're going to read all the way until the end to page 407. When you're done with all of that, you're going to go to these after reading questions. Please answer in a complete sentence. Which of your predictions were correct? So think about what predictions you made yesterday and what predictions you made today. Write those predictions here. What is one prediction that was incorrect? What actually happened in the story? So if I made a prediction that was wrong, I'm going to write it here and I'm going to say what happened instead. And lastly, do you think the intruders got what they deserved? Because remember, that's our essential question. Do people get what they deserve? And make sure you answer why or why not. That's what you're going to turn in. And after you finish that, that's when you're completing the exit ticket. So today, you're going to be opening this document, Fear 2. You're going back to the text. You're doing 2 more connections and predictions, and then you're answering the after reading question. All right. If you have any questions, please reach out to me via email or through Remind. Have a good day.